If your Excel file has the same mistake in lots of places, like a typo, don't fix it one cell at a time. Excel's Find and Replace can clean it up in seconds. I'll show you. So to start, in the product column, I want to change hoodie to sweater. Maybe the name of the product changed. So at Control H, I'm going to find hoodie and replace with sweater. And I'll choose Replace All. And I'm going to do something similar in the payment field. I want to change CC to credit card because it's much more clear. So find CC and replace with credit card. And finally, I'll fix a typo in status. So pending is misspelled. And so I'm going to spell it incorrectly here, which is what I have in the sheet, and replace it with the correct spelling. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more. And if you want to go deeper, I have a full Excel course in the links below.